I'll be mortal. Dale Steyn. There's some big names there. That's tucked around the corner for 4. Oh, he spanked this. That's crushed for 4.
Go still. Well, to half tracker. Tries to bowl the wrong end.
Oh, is he getting some of his own back? Yes, he is. Yeah, I was wondering if this was going to happen because we'd had 2 singles and too much balls running away. Oh, it's just enough on it, but it was hit handsomely enough.
He's hit this hard, he's hit it well, and he's got 4. Currently going at 7. Oh, it just evades the man short. Makes room this time. How well has he caught this one? He's going to get 4 here. Just a little nudge. Cheeky. Very cheeky from Colin Ingram. He's gone big, and he's gone big, and he's got 6. Oh, what a sound off the bat. Tucker! It's gone again. It's another 6. Hit this so hard.
Back live, and he's carving it. Oh! Goodbye and good night! Oh, don't bother running, Colin!
Deal was nullified. He is hitting them so sweetly.
Yes, again, baby! He smoked this into the night sky, and it has gone all the way to finish it with a maximum, and they do it in a canter.